Hello everyone, my name is Dory O'Neill and welcome to my channel, Master Affiliate Profits Review. Today I'm going to ask you a question. If you join Master Affiliate Profits, who will be in your corner offering you additional free help and support over and above what you'll receive from the Master Affiliate Profits team? Today we're going to address this topic both now and for your future. I want to talk about something crucial. Many affiliates selling Master Affiliate Profits are only interested in the one-time sale and the one-time commission. But here at Master Affiliate Profits Review, my team and I are committed to more than just that. We're here to help you succeed, to help you build your email lists, and to support you in turning Master Affiliate Profits into your primary platform for generating a full-time income. In a moment, I'll share how you can take advantage of our supportive community and gain access to a host of free bonuses designed to accelerate your success. First, let me pose a question. Would you rather join Master Affiliate Profits through a team that is genuinely focused on helping you earn commissions, or would you prefer to work with someone you'll never hear from again, leaving you to navigate this journey on your own? For most people, the answer is clear. They want to be part of a team that offers free access to advanced training and ongoing support. When you join my Master Affiliate Profits team, you'll gain access to multiple benefits, including a done-for-you YouTube viral funnel that streamlines your traffic generation efforts, done-for-you email sequences to nurture your leads and maximize conversions, free membership in my Mentored by Masters program for personalized guidance, my exclusive 365 days of motivation email sequence to inspire you and your new enrollees. Now, it's important to note that while many affiliate marketers are good at promoting and getting your money, they often fall short when it comes to offering post-purchase support. You might be wondering, why do I go the extra mile to help my affiliates? Why do I have team members whose sole purpose is to provide support? Well, I've learned from my mentors that when you help others succeed, you ultimately succeed yourself. The geniuses behind Master Affiliate Profits, John Thornhill and Omar Martin, made this possible by incorporating Tier 2 commissions at the Platinum level. When you focus on helping those you enroll to make sales, you're putting money in their pockets. And as Platinum members of MAP, we earn generous Tier 2 override commissions. It's a win-win situation. So, before you decide to join someone's team, ask yourself, are they genuinely committed to going the extra mile to help me make sales with Master Affiliate Profits? Or will enrolling be the last time I hear from them? To experience the incredible benefits of Master Affiliate Profits, I invite you to take my free Master Affiliate Profits tour today at yesshowme.com/map. As you take the tour, you'll gain access to a done-for-you version of the YouTube viral funnel, along with all the other bonuses I've discussed in this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave any questions in the comments below. I'm here to help you succeed. I look forward to meeting you online and celebrating your victories with the Master Affiliate Profits community. See you soon.